I'm going to take you through the steps of opening up an Amazon influencer account. It's an Amazon store. About a year ago, I tried this and it wouldn't allow me, but now I guess I got enough subscribers here on YouTube. But these are the steps you go through. See, I'm linking it to my YouTube account. And you can also link it to your Facebook, Twitter, which one you think that will let you be approved. But you go through the steps and read this. Amazon.com wants you to have access to your YouTube. And I hit allow. And as you can see, your public name, you can go change that, and you can go change the other stuff. So I'm going to go and change the public name. And I'm going to change it to welding and stuff. Welding and stuff. That's my YouTube channel name. And I'm going to put a short description. And I'll probably go and edit this here later. I'm just showing you the processes and steps to get one of these up and going. You have to add a photo before it will allow you to go any further. You just hit continue. And you can upload another photo right here on your background, and you can edit that how you want. And like I said, I'm going to come back and edit everything. It says your account has been verified. So everything from my YouTube has been verified. So I'm going to just add another photo. I'm going to hit save. And you could just go through here, the page channel name, like I said, welding and stuff. And I'm going to put some tags in there, welding, CWI, Certified Welding Inspector. And I'm going to add a few more things later. Social media, I found this on the press and media. I'm going to hit continue. And now you're going to go and I already got an associate or affiliate account. So I'm going to link it to that. And you pick a couple things, tools, and I'm going to pick electronics. And is your content primarily directed to children under 13? No. And you have to hit the agree and hit finish. And it's going through the process. And it says your application has been approved. Like I said, about a year ago, it wasn't approved. But I'm going to show you how to add products to your store. As you can see, I had the influencer. So you can click the edit view. And you can click that again. This is what people will see. But this is my edit right here. So what I want to do, you can go down here. You can create a list. And I like doing this. I'm going to name it holidays. Since it's around Christmas, and I'm going to just type Christmas here. And this is a good thing about it because you can categorize your stuff. And then what you want to do is go up here. I'm going to type Christmas tree. When I type Christmas tree, I hit search. It's going to bring up a whole list of trees. So you can click 1, 2, you click them all if you want to. So I'm going to just click about 3 of them just to show you what it looks like when somebody view your account. And you can put this link on Facebook, on Twitter, anywhere. Or you can send it to a group of people. So once it turns green, it automatically saves itself. So I'm going to go to my storefront. And sometimes it takes a few seconds for this stuff to update. And click this button here. This is what people see when they log on to your store. Okay, I'm going to go to the private view. This is where you go to edit again. And I'm going to add a bounty. These bounties is one people like this business. I'm going to add this business. If somebody sign up for this, I get $15. So you click on it. And you type in Amazon business, whatever you want to name it. And you hit post. Once you post it, this is what it will look like. And underneath it, it'll be your out of my storefront. So to see what other people see when they log on, they would see that business account, and under that they would see all your products. So if you want to go to edit, say you want to delete this stuff, so you can click on it right here and go over here to the three dots and hit delete, and it's gone. That is for your bounties. But if you want to delete your products, the only thing you have to do is hit the edit, and you could delete one at a time, or you could hit this edit button right here and just say delete list. Hit delete and it's gone. So I'm gonna go back to my storefront, and this is what people will see now if they log on, because I deleted everything. So if this video helps, subscribe to my channel and visit my store site, and also visit my website at www.weldingandstuff.net. Thank you.